Hey, check, hello. So since React 19 is stable and since we're advised to um, use React 19 from React developer community or React developers, React founders. So let's just check what's there in React 19, how server components will work, all those things, right? So let's just explore it and let's try learning new things in React. And specifically for this video, we are planning to focus on React 19. So let's just do it, okay? Let me present my screen. Let me share my screen, entire screen. Entirety of this screen is being shared here. Now, let me choose my layout. Okay, so this is going to be my layout. Let me customize it a little bit. Let me remove, give me, okay, so this is working. So I'm just doing something here. Okay, let me save it. React 19 is the save as new layout. Okay, so I'm presenting my screen here, right? You guys are seeing something cool. Okay, React version 19 is live actually, and this is a blog post on 2024 12/05 December 5. It's been nearly 3 weeks, right? So additional addition since the post was originally shared with React 19 RC in April. Pre-warming for suspended trees, see improvement to suspense. React DOM static APIs. Okay, React DOM static APIs, new React DOM static APIs. React 19 is now available on NPM. One thing we will check today is NPM versus PNPM versus Yarn, all these things, right? So we will be looking into these package managers today in today's video. Okay, so let's continue with React 19. I think it's just one blog. So okay, let's just continue from the top. React 19 upgrade guide, which is the upgrade guide? Is this the one? Okay, React 19 upgrade guide. We got some breaking changes, but we are work to make the upgrade as smooth as possible. We don't expect the changes to impact most apps. React 19 18.3 has been published. To make the upgrade to React easier, we publish a React 18.3 release that is identical to 18.2 but adds warning for deprecated APIs and other changes that are needed for React 19. We recommend upgrading to first to help identify issues before upgrading to React 9. Awesome. So 18.3, then only okay. We will check this with our own boilerplate app, which we have here. It's a React boilerplate. So we will check these things. By the way, yesterday I was checking a certain state, feature in React. So okay, and so this is the boilerplate app, right? This is a simple boilerplate app. What we will be doing is fix these things. So React Router flag warning. React Router will be using wrapping state updates in React start transition in V7. You can use the V. Okay, I think all these packages are also giving us warnings for React 19 upgrade. So I think it's a nice way to migrate your application by following the guideline. As it says, you have to upgrade to 18.3. Our React version is 18.2, right? So what we can do here is first, let's delete this node module, delete it, move to trash. Let's delete it, this dist, delete it, move to trash. Once again, we have storybook, we have src has some issue. Okay, I'm getting it. I know what's the issue about, so let's just close it for now. We will go to package.json. This is the latest version of React. So let's upgrade it to 18.3, also React DOM to 18.3, and I think we are good to go now. Beside that, there should be type slash React. What shall I do to it is, I'm not like sure about it, but let me just close. Give me a second, okay? Okay, let me not do anything with it, okay? I don't know what to do with it, but let me just do now npm, since we are using npm, and we just now upgraded React to 18.3. I will do npm I will be the command that we send here, and we also will be looking into this issue, right? So why we have experimental warning here. So we will be removing any sort of warnings from our app. It's doing its thing, conflicting peer dependency byte 5.4.11. Okay, let's just check whatever conflicting two moderate severe vulnerabilities. Okay, so these are the vulnerabilities, or let's say, so byte, it's not byte actually, it's bit. Okay, so uh, override peer dependency from the root project, 5 more. Okay, since I'm upgrading that React, that's why they're giving us this warning. And okay, are no longer supported. What shall I do then? What shall I do then? npm run I. Ha! My bad, Dave. Okay, 5173. We got the app, right? Okay. So maybe these are the warning that our documentation is referring about. It says that about adds warning for deprecated APIs and also changes that are needed for React 19. I'm getting it, I guess. The warning is given, right? So support for loading AS module is required. It's an experiment might change at any time. So where the warning was created. Okay, let's just start from from start. Okay, so since we did npm I, let's do it once again. npm I load modules vit is giving us issue. So what I can do here is, should I upgrade vit also? Let me just check. Okay, uh, vit for React 9. Ah, how to create an app with vit? Okay, just use latest vit, latest app still. But oh no, okay, latest React norm. Let's go then. No, no, no. We are changing that version. So we need to do here is, it is just a bundler. Okay, so should I upgrade the types also? What about it? So for React 19. Oh wow. Types upgrade for React 19. Mhm. Okay. 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 Yeah. We need to upgrade our types also. Or what we can do here is 18.3 types React 18.3. Do we have types slash React version? Oh, nice. Wow. These things are moving really fast, man. Oh my god. Oh shit. Okay. NPM. Again, let's do NPM I once again, since we have upgraded the types. Let's remove this because we didn't have add these warnings. I'm pretty sure, and you guys can check in the repo also. We didn't have those warnings prior upgrading from 18.2 to 18.3. So now we have warning. We need to remove those warning. That is the goal for now. Okay, so And okay, so we might ask ChatGPT also, but for now, what we will be doing is common JS module. Let's just not think about it for now. Focus on React warnings. NX Vite 20.1.0. Let's just check versions of Vite. Okay. Okay. Vite releases Vite JS Vite 6.06 3 days ago, 5 days. Oh man, 6.0. And the Vite we are using is NX Vite is not the one, it's a dev dependency, but Vite. So it's NX Vite that we are using. I mean, yeah, we are using really older version of Vite, that's 4.4.5. So what we can do is how to upgrade Vite from 4 point asterisk to latest version. Migration from V5. It's not even 5, like R is 4. Okay, so broke my build, it says. Migration. Okay, let me just check, if our build is working, all those things before, migrating Vite. So that is the thing that we need to make sure, right? So what we can do is npm run. We did that, it works, right? So npm run dev calls Vite and Vite's package. One learn manager, whatever it is, it will do its thing, and it will give with two warnings at the console at the moment, right? So, but for now, what we need to do is npm run build, and let's just check how things goes. Okay, how things progresses here. It's building. So png js html, everything is being built with the help of Vite. One thing. Okay, so it's totally a random source, right? So can I use Gatsby with Vite? Uh, differences between differences between Gatsby and Vite. I know these are totally different things, like you know, like stone and wood. But I'm just curious, what might be the differences? Gatsby versus Vite. Static site generator. There's some installation. Modern web tech without the headache. What the? What kind of blog is that? Forget about it. Okay. Mm. 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 So it seems that it's building also, and will it preview? But before that, what we need to do is, will it build our storybook? That's the thing that we need to check. npm run build storybook. Okay, build storybook is the command. npm run build storybook. Storybook is being built. Awesome. All these things are being bundled together. Attention. npm run storybook. It will do. It will maybe solve, right? It says solve there. So solve storybook, and our storybook is being solved here. For example, button, we can see our button this way. primary button, secondary button, large button, small button. These are docs for button. Awesome. Wow. What a beautiful storybook it is. For example, for header. Oh wow, I'm really jealous of these stories. Logged in header, logged out header. Okay, so page is the one. Awesome. Awesome. What I can do is let me just check these stories, okay, for now. I know the goal is not that, but just I'm just being distracted for now. Storybook, React Beat, preview, background color. Okay, so we have a preview, whatever it is, component maybe. Let's just continue with our advancement in migrating. Uh, so React is 18.3, upgraded it. What I can do is let's remove heat and let's just do. Mm, how many Beat related plugins are there? Beat.js, Beat.js UI, plugin React SWC, Beat build. Okay, okay, NX Beat. Okay, Storybook React Beat. Okay, so what we need to do now is remove this Beat. Okay, let's just remove this npm I Beat latest. Let's just try with it, okay? If it breaks, like we will undo it. We're not taking risks here. So found with 4.5.5. Look at this, it's breaking up, man. What the fuck? It's breaking. Bahar npm I wait. I will just do npm I wait, okay? I'm not taking any risks. Okay, found 5.4.11, 5.0.0. What is this? NXV20. Okay. Okay. Now I'm getting something here. React with 7.6.0. These are the peers, right? So I think it might install 5.0.0 for us, right? So Vite is, where is Vite? Let me check. Okay, once. It's, it hasn't installed it. Okay, it has installed Vite 5.4.11. And now what we can do npm I. Let's try it. Still we have lots of issues, man. Lots of issues. While resolving with plugin React found 5.4.11 from the root project will not resolve dependency beta from with JS plugin React. It's coming from this. Okay, now we have a singular plugin, or let's say it's coming from JS slash plugin React. What is React Vite? It's about, I'm not sure why I'm using it. Let me just check my project. Okay, guys, I think we are now solving this issue. So we are using this for vite.config.ts, and it's the React is coming from vite.js slash plugin React SC. Man, oh man, vite config.ts. Do I really need this? Why do I need this? Configuring Vite, code intelligence, Vite, Vite, sync Vite. I think these were generated while, like, installing, like, uh, yeah, installing the React app. I'm not sure. And what we can do is, I'm really sorry for the yawning, because I did a 2 hour run this morning, so maybe because of that I'm feeling a bit lethargic at the moment, and also because of carbs diet that I had been eating since few days. Maybe that might be the reason. So, like, plugins, React, what's going on, man? Okay, let me just understand. Okay, configuring Vite. While running Vite from the command line, Vite will automatically try to resolve config file name, config project root, other JS extension are also supported. The most basic config file looks like this: export default, something like that. Okay, so note Vite support using ES module syntax in config file, even if the project is not using native Node ESM. Example: type module in package.json. In this case, the config file is also auto pre-processed before load. You can also explicitly specify a config file to use the config CLI option. Config intelligence. Define config. Vite also supports TypeScript config file. You can use vitconfig.ts. That's what we are using in our project, by the way. Vitconfig.ts, right? So what we are using here is define config. We are using React for plugin. Also, we are using resolve src as LES for at the rate. Okay, got it. Server is in 0.0.0 dockerizing an app. So this was initializing Tailwind. This was in dockerizing an app. 13 months ago, we made some changes here. Okay, so okay, now what we need to do is we need to upgrade it, obviously, but this plugin might be okay. So let's just not focus anything here. Let's just check if this plugin has newer version or not. That's it. Okay, so Vite plugin React SWC, we're using 3.3.2. Let's just see what version is in the internet at the moment. Vite.js plugin React, we are using 3.3.3. Latest version is 3.7.0. It can be seen from here. 3.7.2. Okay, let's just do one thing. Okay, so let me just log in. Let me just save it. npm I can do that, right? So npm I also latest. No, let's just leave it for now for Vite or whatever npm to catch the viable version from here. So it has installed 3.0.1. Let us check. Okay, it should not be the more lower version, but it's like coming as man, dev dependency. What the fuck? It should be as dev dependency. Okay, npm I dash dash save or capital D also can be done, but is it? It's capital D. I think it's for Yan, right? I'm not sure about it, but okay. So is it saving it as dev dependency? Uh, okay. Yes, plugin React 3.7.2. Okay, so we are nearing. Okay, so we need to do npm I. Let's just check. We still have three issues or two moderate severity vulnerabilities. It says conflicting peer dependency Vite 4.5.5. We have Vite 5.4.1 in node module slash Vite. Vite.js plugin React 3.1.0. 3.1.0. We don't have 3.1.0. What we need to do is let's just delete this log.json, move to trash. Once again, let's just delete this node modules, delete it, move to trash. What we can do here is npm. Let's just check the node version. Is it latest or not? Node version, it's 23.1.0 is latest. So npm I and lay back and relax for a while. Let these package managers do their thing. We have 15 files in our what? Who changed it? Did I change it? I don't think so. Did I change this also? I don't think so. I changed it or not, but let's leave it for like this for now. It's doing its thing. It's doing npm I. That means it's installing. Right? So okay, it's doing its thing. Let me check my mobile. Till then, software update has been done in my Android phone. Let me connect with the Wi-Fi. What is going on, man? What happened here? Like, did I break something? I deleted it. I like, okay. I think it's okay. I think it's gonna take some time because let me just remove this static static because we are not using it. Let me just remove this dist also. Okay. And what we need to do now is in npm I. Okay. Let's just wait. I think it's gonna take some time because our package.log file is not there, and but still it needs it should have said something right there. What is going on? What the fuck? What? And those issues are gone, right? Yeah. Let's go. Okay. Wow, what a clean app, man. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. Okay, so NVMI, our, our like severe vulnerabilities are gone. See, it's a zero vulnerabilities, but yeah, added to package and audited this package and looking for funding. NPM fund for details. Vulnerabilities are gone, but still there are some warnings we need to resolve. Okay, so resolve overriding peer dependency plugin React 3.1.0. It's coming from node module slash vite storybook react vite node modules vite.js plugin react. Okay, plugin react from react vite conflicting peer dependency vite from react vite storybook. Let's go. What we need to do now is okay. Now storybook react vite needs to be upgraded, but before doing that, what we can do is storybook entire storybook we can upgrade that, right? So we can do that. Yeah, because look at this storybook. Okay, so most of these issues are coming from storybook. Let's just upgrade storybook. Like, yeah, where is storybook? Okay, so let me search storybook. These are the bunch of storybooks. Storybook 7.5.3. What I need to do is let me ask ChatGPT in a really nice way. Okay, because forgive me about that one, right? I will say chat. Look at this, okay? So look at this. This is Let me show you guys too. This is my package.json. I want to upgrade Storybook, but there there are lots of dev dependencies regarding Storybook that I need to upgrade to. Do I need to do them one by one, or is there a way to upgrade them in more efficient and unit way? I don't know what's the unit way, but it sounds justifiable. npm check updates. Oh wow. Wow. It even gave me a very nice solution, like why don't you have a global package checker, like whenever your npm packages need to be upgraded, you can do npm. But let me just check this package before like just copying and following everything ChatGPT says. We need to check if that package is there and how that package is performing. That's the really important thing that we need to do. So npm check updates is it an official package or something like that? I'm not sure. It's coming from Renor Sign. Weekly downloads are there. Version is there. NVM check update. Let me check the GitHub repo of it. Upgrades your packages and dependency to the latest version, ignoring specified version. Modify your file. Install upgrade the install package. Sensible defaults, more highly customizable. Install only around. Okay, usage. Okay, I'm getting it. Interactive mode is also there. It seems that under the hood they are using. Okay. Okay, I don't know what they're using under the hood, but okay, they also might have their NCU doctor. Okay, let me try. Right, so it seems to be seems to be lazy app. So let me start it also. In your personal package dependencies, that what your package rotation allows. Lots of people are using it, so why not? Yeah, let's just use it. I think it sounds good. It sounds fun, by the way. So just understanding, just npm following in ChatGPT's instruction, installed as g npm check updates. Okay, npm check updates. Okay, npm installed as g npm check updates. Okay, recommended production disabled. One package added in 2 seconds. Just one package. Wow. What is it using? I'm just curious. Like, why only it's using one package? Package.json. Hmm. Scripts, dev dependencies. Lots of dev dependencies. No dependencies. Mokkachai, TypeScript, Rimref, Picomats. Okay, let's just follow more from ChatGPT. Run the following command to upgrade the story dependencies. Awesome. So we have now NCU, which is NCU version 17.1.12. NCU only. Checking user package.json. Got it. So it says that you have lots of things, right? So NX ESLint can be upgraded here. Playwright test can also be upgraded. Lots of storybook add-ons essentials can be upgraded here. Stack React query can be upgraded. React Dixie can be upgraded, right? So, but these okay? So I'm not. I don't want to upgrade React to 19.0.0. And what are these red and yellow things? Okay, give me a second. Should I upgrade or not, man? I'm just curious. Latest, you can install latest. Uh, NPX storybook. Yeah. Let's just try this one instead. NPX storybook. And for today's video, we also need to learn about what's NPX, by the way, right? So it's just making my thing so much better by doing NPX storybook upgrade. So for now, our storybook version is 7.5.3. Let's see if anything breaks here or not. Okay, so let's just see it. Wow. Man, oh man, a great storybook version that they are trying to upgrade story some same version that's currently installed project version. This is not supported. This is I'm trying to run text story upgrade. This will cause NVMe to run the global cache storybook binary, which might be the same version. What we can do is add the latest. But do I need latest or not? I'm not sure. It seems that 18.3 seems to be kind of latest thing. So I'm not sure, right? So Storybook 8.4.7. Let me just do it. Not a big deal. Let's see if these versions change here also. 7.5.3, 7.5.3, all these things. Add-on onboarding 1.0.8. Let's see, okay? Let's just give it a go. And if it breaks, then we can undo things altogether to version 8.4.7. Now Storybook is 8.4.7. Let's go. We need to check this also, right? So yeah, let's just check this one. Why we're being thrown this error. And oh wow, look at this 8.4.7. We have upgraded our storybook. So migration notification is there. And I think we have now better. Yeah, so since version 8.0.0 is no longer ships with the inbuilt vite config, please add a vite.config.js file to your project root. You can find more information how to do this here. Necessary new version of it. This changes was necessary. Yes, I continue, man. It's okay. Remove just testing library, found migration. It is we have detected that they are using following packages which are known to be incompatible since storybook testing library. Testing library. You can remove. So, I mean, yeah, sure, why not? Okay, 8.4.7. Okay, nice. Please into the glob to for storage to migrate to. I mean, yeah, slash src and components and UI or maybe whatever it is storage slash bottle not storage dot yes storage dot something inside src inside any of the directories. Got it. Oh wow. Oh, found the zero errors. 3 okay. Okay. We have detected that they are using Ars types regex storybook pre-bit. Yeah, I'm using that, right? Why am I using that? I'm not sure. I'm using Ars manual migration. Play function might do render storage interacting. Storage play function let you render storage. Okay, in this case, play functions mock action Rs implicitly by analyzing the R types regex in your preview.js or TS file. However, storybook changes this behavior, and we are now recommended using the fn function to mock functions method instead. Use the follow to check the implement. Okay, we will do that. Okay, so npx migrate glob stories. Use the following command to check for the implied mocked action in your play function. Then refer to docs to migrate a play function to story bucket. Got it. We should check that because we might need to. We should not break our storybook. So yeah. VI storybook test function spy function, for example, fn storybook test. Okay, so storybook react and now storybook not here, not here. I'm really sorry for that. What is it saying? What is this blog saying? I I mean, I did the same. Component is this is action, this is parameter. I am not keeping component at the moment. Action in action, actions, handles. Okay, okay. Let me just archives. Let's just copy this and Google it for now. Okay. I'm doubtful on it, but let's just try. Okay, so implicit actions cannot be used during rendering. For example, in play function, instead of saving, we input in component accept action props on X, for example, on click or as a conflict action. But if that was the case, then we will fill in just spice for those arts automatically. On click. For more context, see RFC. To summarize, this makes CSF files less magical, more portable. Migration like CMX MDX1. Okay. Give me a second. Give me a second. Becoming a bit more cold, so I. Apache, Apache, Apache. Oh, yeah. I'm still not getting it, man. Yes. So what we did here is we upgraded our ESLint plugin storybook and NX storybook package. So just wait for it. We need clean builds, right? So that's the goal here. Also, while doing npmi, we do not want any of these, unupgraded packages to be there. So that's the goal there too. So my battery is like, okay. So do you want to run visual test error migration? Yeah, let's do it. Whatever you say, whatever it tells us to do, we're just abiding by it. Visual test error. What is it? Why should I care about it? Auto migration detected. Ah, it's deprecated. Learn more. The docs dot are setting in. Remove docs dot auto docs. Oh wow. Add-ons. Docs auto docs tag. Docgen TypeScript. Yes, yes. You want to run auto docs tags? Yes, sure. What we need to do is NBMI. Wow. Wow. NPMI once again. There we go. NPM. Let's just run storybook also. Goal is to run storybook also. Preview.ts. What we did with it. We haven't done anything with it, right? So it might break. Let's not hope, but that's my guess. Okay, we did NPMI. Migration was fantastic, spectacular. NPM run Dave first. Let's just see if our project runs or not. It seems to it seems to be running. Console errors are there too where there previously, now also it's true. It's not a big deal. Not a big deal. Let's do npm run build. It builds because okay, now we are getting some AC. Oh my god. Error button. All these storybooks are giving us issue. Yes, sir. Error stories. Yes. The issue is coming from here. Arcs. Issue is coming from preview arcs actually. Yeah. Preview.ts and arguments arc type storage X. How to like solve this then? Chat GPT? Yeah, Chat GPT is the one. Hey, hey, I was trying to upgrade no no. I was trying to upgrade storybook with npx npx upgrade storybook latest, right? Latest, and it says, and it upgrade upgraded it to 8 point version, right? But we are seeing this issue with a specific function or whatever it is. Shit. Okay, with this specific thing, I don't know how to resolve this. Can you help me? This is your HBK Storybook. Introduce a new way for configure previews, and the archetype is not recognizing the actions parameter anymore. The new format key. Okay, so this is the key. Expects the configuration to be under parameters.actions.regex. Fix code to upgrade key for wow, man, oh man. Regex. Huh? Huh? Regex on A to Z. Oh, okay. Error. Regex. Actions regex. I did that. Background color. All these things are. I did that, right? Explanation. Okay. Step up problem. Storybook seems to be running. It's not a good thing for me because since storybook is running, and since storybook, all these things are npm run build storybook must be running too. Then, right? Storybook, build storybook. It's running too. Since that is running, and since this is also running, npm pm run story. Oh, Sorb is also doing its thing, right? Yeah, it's doing its thing. It's running. It's working fine. Man, now the major issue is storybook. Every storybooks are doing fine, but NPM run TSC. Will it run or not? NPM TSC. Oh, no, no, I mean just TSC. It's not TypeScript issue. We are getting TypeScript issue, right? Yes. So where is it coming from? It's coming from header. So these arcs is a single version. It's using Copilot. We have Copilot to write, so let's just try it. It says, okay, to fix your missing properties, let me just accept it for now. On login and logged out. It says logged out. Huh? I don't know if this is gonna work here or not, but npm run build for header.storage.ts it will be wow. npm run preview. Okay, so now what we will be doing is, since we have migrated things and it seems to work, like lots of things are working here, and BMI is becoming cleaner. Lots of zero vulnerabilities in our code, 18.3.0. So migration to 19 should work because there are lots of things with the storybook, lots of upgrades in our system. Now, I'm sorry for yawning all the way in this video. History, grep. What was it like? It was like, I don't know. Let's just see history. Okay, it was NCU. Okay, so NCU. So So in this round, what we can do is, since we have upgraded storybook, right? So storybook and all these things, and there are no any change, like no issues for us. We can upgrade all these versions too. But should we do that? Let's check. NXES lint, nothing much, nothing much, nothing much. 5.6.9. What are these black and blue things? I mean, yeah, we need to check that. Type/node is there. It's a major upgrade. I think it says that it's breaking upgrade, right? So NCU. Let me check with NCU. Okay, so NCU, where are you? NCU, npm check updates, right? And let me just read. So red major upgrade and all major version 0. Cayenne minor upgrade, patch upgrade. Let's finish with patch upgrade for now, right? So post CSS has a patch upgrade. These are minor upgrades, 3.3.52. And these are major upgrade, ES leads, all these things. So should we do that, or should we just continue with React 19? That's the thing that we need to think about. But I think we need to continue with React 19, implement some of the features from React 19, and then at the as the video passes, then we will try to upgrade few things one by one and just see, like just check the water if it's whatever it is, and yeah, let's just try that method. But for now, our npmi is really clean. Okay, so also npm build is clean, npm run dev is also clean. Okay, so let's focus on a few box. Still there are few box, right? So where was it? So in the console of our application there are some box, and also in this, let's just try to understand what these things are. So I think in another video. So thank you guys for watching. stop sharing my screen. Let me get out of this stream. Let me end this stream too. Take care. Have a nice holiday. Bye.